Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Since our year-end closing activities is going to come soon, our March month is going on. After March month, there will be a new fiscal year and we'll have many year-end activities to be performed. And one of the difficult areas for year-end activities is asset accounting. So today I'm going to talk about asset accounting, what is the best approach, what is the best steps you can follow to close your asset accounting subledger successfully. If you are using HANA, how to do in HANA. If you are using ECC, then what is the best way to close asset accounting uh, in ECC system. So first I'm going to cover in HANA. So in HANA, in HANA, before you close asset accounting subledger, first step you have to do, you calculate incomplete asset. You find out all the incomplete asset. Incomplete asset. Incomplete assets are generally those assets in which for which you have made certain changes in the asset masters. Okay, so all those assets, if you run T code AUVA, you can find all those list of the incomplete assets. You can go and make the correction in the asset master. So this will give the list of the incomplete assets which are having the problem. Second step, you have to run recalculation of depreciation. Recalculation of depreciation, in fact this is not required in S4 HANA, but you can still run this T code if you have made any changes in the asset master. So that T code is FR. Third step, you can run depreciation run. Depreciation run for complete fiscal year. I mean complete period for whole year period, for whole year period, until you run the depreciation for whole periods in that particular year. You will not be able to run, you will not be able to close the fiscal year. So running depreciation for whole fiscal year is mandatory. So T code is AFAB, AFAB. You can use T code AFAB. Then fourth option is that after running the AFAB, if there is no issue, if you have successfully run the uh, you have successfully run the um, depreciation for all the assets. If there are any errors, if you have corrected them, if there is no error at all during the depreciation run, then only you can run the code called balance carry forward. Balance carry forward. T code is FAGL GVTR. If you have any issue uh, during the depreciation run, and if there is any issue and if you are not able to capture in all this step, definitely you'll be able to capture in FAGL GBTRT code. So there should be zero error to run this T code. If there is any error, it will not allow you to run the FAGL GBTR. Once this is done, then you have to, what happens once you run FAGL GBTR T code, it opens a new fiscal year, new asset accounting fiscal year also it gets open, but it doesn't close the current or previous asset accounting fiscal year. So for that you have to run T code to close the current fiscal year. So close the current asset accounting year. Current asset sorry, close the current asset accounting fiscal year. You have to run the T code AJAB. One important point you have to always remember that your subledger, even SAP also recommending subledger period, or let's say fiscal year, should be closed before your general ledger, or let's say FI fiscal year. Meaning that all your subledger fiscal year you need to close first, then your GL fiscal year. So don't close the GL fiscal year first before you closing your subledger fiscal year or period. That is very important. Subledger periods fiscal year need to be closed first than the general ledger period and fiscal year. So these are the some sequence you need to follow in asset accounting year end activities in S4 HANA. If you want to follow in ECC, if you are in ECC, then what and all you have to follow. In ECC, process remains same, but there are few more T codes you have to use them. Okay. So incomplete of asset you have to run. That is the first priority. Then FR you have to run. Before running, you have to also run T code called ASKB. After running the depreciation, you have to run T code ASKB. ASKB is periodic asset posting. You have to run periodic asset posting T code. T code is ASKB or ASKBN. One more T code is there, ASKBN. So this you have to do. After that, after this is done, then you have to open the new physical year in the asset accounting. So that is fifth step. You have to run T code called AJRW, asset accounting fiscal year change, AJRW. Then in sixth step, after AJRW you are run, then you have to run T code called reconciliation check between asset accounting and GL. Okay, a reconciliation between asset accounting and GL. T code is, just a minute, T code is ABS T2. So this T code you have to run to reconcile between your asset accounting and your general ledger. After that, you have to run FAGL GBTR, run FAGL GBTR, and last run this T code. Close the asset accounting fiscal year. Then this one. Okay. So these are the process you need to follow on an average in ECC for the asset accounting. Hope this will help you to close your asset fiscal year smoothly. Thank you so much for watching the video.